Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting dark mode on Google Apps on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The best way to do this is by changing to dark mode in the system settings. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap Display, then select Dark. Your phone will now be in dark mode and all of the Google apps will be in dark mode too. If you open up Google Search and Chrome, for example, they will now be in dark mode. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android tips and tricks.